Tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. The dog runs across the yard. Again. The dog runs across the yard. Your turn to read, children. I like to read books at home. Again, I like to read books at home. Your turn to read, children. The sun shines in the sky. Again, the sun shines in the sky. Your turn to read, children. My mom bakes tasty cookies. Again, my mom bakes tasty cookies. Your turn to read, children. We play games after school. Again, we play games after school. Your turn to read, children. The bird sits on a tree branch. Again, the bird sits on a tree branch. Your turn to read, children. Ben rides his bike every day. Again, Ben rides his bike every day. Your turn to read, children. The cat sleeps on a soft bed. Again, the cat sleeps on a soft bed. Your turn to read, children. I packed my lunch this morning. Again, I packed my lunch this morning. Your turn to read, children. The fish swims in the clear pond. Again, the fish swims in the clear pond. Your turn to read, children. Anna planted flowers in her garden. Again, Anna planted flowers in her garden. Your turn to read, children. My brother helped me clean my room. Again, my brother helped me clean my room. Your turn to read, children. My puppy chased a red ball. Again, my puppy chased a red ball. Your turn to read, children. We saw a rainbow after the rain. Again, we saw a rainbow after the rain. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. The dog runs across the yard. I like to read books at home. The sun shines in the sky. My mom bakes tasty cookies. We play games after school. The bird sits on a tree branch. Ben rides his bike every day. The cat sleeps on a soft bed. I packed my lunch this morning. The fish swims in the clear pond. Anna planted flowers in her garden. My brother helped me clean my room. My puppy chased a red ball. We saw a rainbow after the rain. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lesson.